Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you Redmi A3. So we are going to do unboxing of Redmi A3, which is PTA approved and 50,000 mAh battery. It is C type battery, and this is with 4 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. So let's check out that phone. So this is the phone. The back of this phone is very beautiful. As you can see, a very circle type big camera, AI camera, and the weight of this phone is almost like 200 gram. You can check it on their website as well. So this is phone. In the next video we will do some camera test, as well as we will do some gaming tests as well on this phone. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.